today we are doing a fun little first impression slash review. I am excited to try this. This is the new Kaleidos Flower Punk collection. I was so excited when they told me they were sending this over because this collection looks like so much fun. Definitely all of the spring vibes, all the summer vibes. If you are into color, this collection is definitely for you. It looks like a really, really cool one. There's an eyeshadow palette, lip products, and I'm excited to show you guys this PR package, which is also stunning, and get into testing the products out. So why don't we go ahead and get started? Okay, so like I said, Kaleidos did send this over to me. As I'm filming this now, the collection is going to be available on the 5th of May. I'm not sure when this video is going to go up, but I will have links to it down below. I know that it is available then. I also have prices here that I'll go through as well to kind of share with you guys. So they did send over this PR package, which, how cute is this? Like a little vanity, ooh, oh my gosh, I almost dropped this. A little like vanity drawer, like makeup drawer, dresser drawer, whatever you want to call this. So what it is it does flip up. It has a little mirror there. I know that the PR package is available, so you can get this whole vanity if you want to. I don't know why I'm calling it a vanity. I guess it'd be called like a jewelry box maybe. But on the top, there's actually a coloring book inside, which is fun. So you have like a little coloring book, and then there's also some stickers here. Kaleidos is known for their like very out there packaging. They kind of have like this space vibe almost, if you will. It's very, very cool packaging. And then there's two different drawers. So the first drawer has the lip products, and these are stunning. Again, they come in this really nice like case. I have a ton of the Kaleidos makeup that I have been sent from them, like on display in my room, because it just looks so pretty. So this is the first case right here. This one is called the Flora Noir set, and it's a lip bundle. This one is $35, and then there's also the other lip bundle as well, and then the second one is called the Sandcastle, and this one is also $35, or I believe there's a bundle set where you can get both of the lips if you want to do that. It's called a lip clay. Actually, I haven't heard of like this formula before. It's a Cloud Lab lip clay. Interesting. So it says adding rich, powerful punch to your look, and it doesn't really have much else information about like the formula of them, but they are a doe foot applicator here. I believe it's like a clay. I'm thinking they're going to be like a liquid lipstick. I'm thinking, yeah, they kind of seem like actually looks like a cool formula. Almost like a very like pillowy type of formula. I don't even know what this would remind me of because it looks like very light, very airy. So I'll swatch all of the shades for you from each bundle. So here's the first bundle. These are the blue ones, and here are all 4 of those shades in there. Like I said, this collection is going to be for the true like lover of color, because I feel like there's some really fun colors in this one. I have to say the packaging on these is stunning. It has like a soft matte finish to it. The ombre, you can kind of see the color there. It does have the name on the bottom of them. Okay, and then I just swatched the second bundle as well, and this one is definitely more of like your browns and nudes there. So these are all a little bit more, I would say, like everyday shades there on this one. So very fun for the lip colors. I'm really excited to try this formula out. It's drying down too. It looks like it's going to dry down really nice. I'm curious to see like how comfortable it is on the lip. There is also a lip mask a part of this collection. This is the Blue Agave Softening Lip Mask. I'm excited about this one. First off, packaging again, absolutely stunning. You have the blue, and then the actual lip mask itself is also blue, which is fun. Here is what it looks like. We'll try that out in just a second. The price on this one is only $8, so it's pretty affordable for the lip mask. And then lastly, we have the palette, which I cannot wait to swatch the palette. Okay, so this is the Flower Punk palette. Very, of course, gorgeous packaging here. This does retail for $36 if you want to get it on its own. The artwork on here is incredible. It also comes packaged in this really nice outer cardboard packaging. I always keep these because they're so pretty in themselves. And what's really unique about this one is it actually has a magnetic closure, so you can take off the top, which I kind of think is kind of fun. There's not many palettes that I see that are like this, so you can just like remove this if you want and kind of have it laying. It's a little bit heavy, but it's not like too hefty or anything. It seems pretty compact too. It's pretty small. So inside of here you have all of these shades. I know a lot of people are kind of comparing this to like Milk Makeup. I don't have any colors from them, but I can kind of see where like the layout of it kind of looks similar. But here's a look at all of the colors. I am just like all into this. I love like mauves. So this like row right here with the purple, you got the blues in here. You also have the greens. That gold looks absolutely stunning. Kaleidos has a very special, very nice formula. I have quite a few of their palettes. I know the Club Nebula was their last one. That was a collaboration with Angelica Nyquist, I believe is how you say her name. And that palette was so good. I've used it multiple times. I like that one a lot, so I'm excited to dive into this one. So let's see the swatches of it first. I cannot with this gold shade. Oh my gosh, look at how foiled and beautiful that looks. I just, so beautiful. So here are all 9 of the shades. You definitely see the color stories too. Like you have more of like your mustards here. Like I said, there's a couple mauves, and then you have a few fun like teal blue shades. So cannot wait to try this on the eyes. I think we're gonna get started first with that right now. I'm first actually gonna put on some of this lip mask so we can try this out. I'm gonna just drag my nail in it a little bit and try a little bit of this. Ooh, yes, that feels so nice. Feels so hydrating. It definitely doesn't give like a blue, like you have a little bit of an icy look to it, but it doesn't look like neon or anything like that. That feels really nice. It actually kind of reminds me, I don't even know what it reminds me of because it's very wet feeling. It doesn't have any like weird scent or anything like that, which is good. I like when lip products aren't like super, I don't know, and they have like a lot of fragrance to them. It's kind of a little annoying, but this one actually, it feels really nice, feels hydrating, so we'll see how it does on the lips, and then let's try out the eyeshadow palette. I've been getting a lot of good feedback on the zoomed, so we're gonna go ahead and zoom you up so you can really see the eyes. And I'm just using some of this Kylie concealer just to prep really quickly. I'm just gonna blend this out with a dry sponge, actually like using a dry sponge for my eye primer. So just giving us a smooth base. I'm just really doing this so it cancels out the redness that I do have on my lids. I will be honest, when I started this, I totally wanted to go into these teals, but I think I want to go on this side because that gold is just so stunning. I have to use it. So I'm just going to use the mirror that came with it. The first shade I'm going to go in with, actually, to start, let's see. Let's go in with Golden Age, this like mustard one right here. We'll use that as our first color. I'm going to be using a few of my Doll 10 brushes. These are still available on Doll 10's website in case you're interested in them. So I'm going to just start this shade on my crease, and I'm really kind of just going to buff this in. I'm not going to be too precise with this, but I really just want to set this down as our first color. Zoomed up here, I'm realizing how much I need to do my brows, so definitely need to take care of those here soon. Kaleidos has a very easy formula, so if you've never tried them before and you've been curious about them, I find that their mattes are very easy to blend. They're very user-friendly. I haven't had any issues with any of the palettes I've tried from them. Okay, next I'm actually going to go into the more neon green shade. This one is called Clyril. I don't even know how to pronounce that. But I'm going to take this one and pack this right on top. Wow. That is, it's pigmented, but I wasn't expecting it to look so neon right away. With these shades that are a little bit more like bright and poppy like this, I like to just pack them on instead of like blending them too much because sometimes you'll lose pigment. And then once it's packed, I'll start to kind of blend it here a little bit more so it goes into the first shade we did. Far so good. I'm going to take the shade Earthship, the deepest shade in the palette. This is like the army green. I love this color, and I'm going to use this for my outer corner to really just deepen that up. So really just kind of focusing this on the outer portion here. I'm not going to bring it in too far. I kind of just want to bring depth to the outer corner. I'm going to also swing this shade on my lower lash, just right down here. I'll probably add a few other shades down there as well, but here, you guys, blending on this so easy. Like, I feel like it looks really good, and it's not taking me much time at all. I really want to try this gold. Like, I have to try this gold. This is called a Sun Gazer, and I cannot with how pigmented this looks. I'm just ready for it to be, yeah. They have quite a few different formulas of like their shimmers. Some of them have like this really big punch to them, and then if some of them have more of like, that is so pretty, more of like a tapper feel, which I think these other ones like seemed a little more sheer. This one is just like a true metallic, but it's like not glittery, but it has like a glitter look to it. Oh, so pretty. That is absolutely stunning. I love that color. I'm just using my finger because that's my preferred way, but I mean, I see a little bit of fallout on my face, to be expected. Wow, you guys. Wow, I'm impressed. This is beautiful. Okay, so let's, like I said, dust away some of that glitter that we got. I mostly dusted away, I think. Wow, so gorgeous. I still want to try like other shades, but I'm like, I want to try these blues, but I don't think this will go like with the green. But I'm gonna actually take this shade called Peach right here, this Peach Soleil. I'm sorry if I'm butchering these names. And I'm gonna actually swing that on my lower lash down here as well. I love peachy shades like this. Just kind of blend that down here. And then I'm also gonna go into this shade as well and bring a little bit of that on my lower lash too. Okay, and then we're gonna go into Golden Age and then also the neon shade and also bring those down. Really just gonna kind of smoke out this lower lash line. And then, like I said, we're gonna bring the neon one a little here as well. Feeling this eye look right now. How fun is this? I love. Okay, I think I need some eyeliner, like some fun eyeliner in my waterline. I'm thinking like, I don't know, like some type of neon color. And then I also want to add some lashes. So let me do that and I'll be right back. Lashes really just elevated this look and made me love it even more. So gorgeous. The lashes I'm actually wearing are from Velour. I've been loving their lashes lately. It's actually just a like beginner lash kit. It comes with a little lash glue, which I have right here, a little lash glue, and then these lashes. I think they're so pretty. And if you're someone who doesn't like wearing like eyeliner with your lashes, I think these would work perfectly. Like the band is really thin and I feel like it works nice if you don't want to have like a wing or something like that. Very easy to apply. Glue is nice as well. So now that we've got our eyes done, let's go ahead and try out one of the lips. This lip mask is still hanging out. I feel like my lips look nice and smooth, so that is good. I'm gonna be boring and probably go for one of the nude shades because I feel like this eye look is just a lot. I don't know that I want to commit to like one of the bold shades with it. So I think I myself am going to, like I said, be a little bit boring and go for one of the nudes. I'm going to use the shade Adorb right here, and we're going to try this out. And I'm very curious in this formula. I'm going to leave the lip mask just hanging out, and we'll apply it right over top. First initial thought is that it feels very light. Doesn't feel like you're like applying anything. I haven't seen much on this formula, so I'm very curious to see kind of what the claims are on it. Like, is it supposed to be matte? How's it gonna dry down? Like, what's the wear time on it? I really like the applicator too. I love when they have like a little bit of bend to them. It makes it easy to apply. Okay, so initial application, this feels very smooth on the lips. It looks nice. Like, it doesn't look like too cakey or anything like that. Actually, I think that this gave us a little bit of highlight right there from the lip mask. I'm not mad at that. I like this color. I think it complements this eye look nicely. I can't tell. I'm feeling a little bit of like slipperiness, but I can't tell if that's from the lip mask or if that is the formula of this lippy. I will leave a pinned comment down in the comment section with how this wore as far as the lip goes. So kind of like how it dries down and everything like that and the wear time of it. But it looks nice on the lips. It feels, like I said, very pillowy. It doesn't feel like heavy or anything like that. I'm obsessed with this eye look. I say go for the palette if you were on the edge and you didn't know and you like were kind of trying to decide if you wanted this. I would say get it. I love how this eye look looks. I think it's so pretty. I love the tones that they did in this. I think it can be wearable. I know it looks colorful and crazy, but like I feel like there's a few wearable shades in there too. But I think this is such a fun palette, such a fun collection. I love the packaging on everything. The lip mask felt really nice. I think the price on that is good as well. It is drying down a little bit more, so I think that slipperiness I was feeling was from the lip mask, but yeah, I would definitely recommend this Kaleidos collection, you guys. Let me know if you are excited about this one. If you are thinking on getting anything, definitely let me know down in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.